Hey there, I'm Renee from Ripples Mind Body Breath, and today we're playing with one of the simplest and most powerful tools you have, your exhale. Now, this technique is called breathing coordination, and it's all about letting your body lead the breath, not your brain. So for this technique, there's no force or pushing. It's just allowing of your exhale to stretch out by counting. So you'll softly count until our breath runs out naturally. A long, easy exhale tells your nervous system you're safe and that you can relax now. So it's perfect for those times when you're feeling stressed or anxious, or those moments when you're feeling like you've been holding onto your breath all day. You'll breathe in with ease, then count out loud as you breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, and so on, until the breath finishes on its own. Start with counting up to 5 or 10, and then over time you might find yourself floating all the way to 20 without any strain. Just let your body find the rhythm and stay soft and curious. You can follow the breathing icon if you like and think of it as like riding a gentle wave. All right, it's time to settle in. We'll move through a few rounds together. Your job is simple. Breathe in gently, then count out softly on the exhale, just like a whisper. Start wherever feels right for you, so maybe 4 or 5, and then slowly stretch that exhale out over time. Okay, let's begin. Inhale in 3, 2, 1. You just gave your nervous system a little reset. Nicely done. That's the power of long, soft exhales. It's like pressing the calm button from the inside out. Now, if you loved that, come and explore more breath techniques here, or jump over to our daily breath flow playlist and find your ripple flow. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.